Welcome to Deepak's Kitchen and another episode in our kitchen adventure. Today we are making amazing vibrant recipe called shakshuka. Shakshuka sounds very interesting, right? Doesn't it? This is wonderful breakfast recipe originates from the Parsi community, but it's truly a complete meal. It's packed with every essential nutrients, yet it's easy and incredibly tasty and easy to make. I'm going to walk you through every bit and piece of how to make this delicious recipe. So, without any further delay, let's see how to do this and start the preparation for this. First, let's look at the important ingredients what required for this. I have 100 grams of capsicum, a mixture of red and green, finely chopped. Now, tomatoes are crucial. I have taken about 250 grams of apple tomatoes, finely chopped. Let's keep this all aside. And the star of the show is the egg. We need 6 normal regular eggs. Next, we have finely chopped onions, a large one cut very finely. We also need 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, that's kothimber. And here are the simple spices: dry roasted and powdered cumin, a little bit of chili powder, and a half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity, salt to taste, chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, and 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. To start cooking, I am using a slightly wide, thick bottomed pan. Though a regular one works too, I am adding a little bit of an oil to this than usual, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic and 1 spoon of chopped ginger and the 2 green chilies. Saute this. The most important thing here is not to let the color change. Fry it well in the oil, but keep the color light, and remember, we are not using ginger garlic paste here. That's very important. Now the aromatics are perfect. It's time to add finely chopped onions. I'll also a little bit of salt. Now to help them cook faster, again the color shouldn't change. The onions just need to become soft. This will take few minutes. Next, add finely chopped capsicum. Immediately follow up with the chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well and continue to cook. You can now increase the flame. Cook this on a high flame for about 3 minutes, and you can see after 3 minutes the mixture has softened and released all the moisture. Now I am adding just a half a teaspoon of sugar. This is crucial to balance the sourness from the amount of tomato we have used. To ensure it cooks thoroughly, I'll close the lid and cook for about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes have passed. Look, the tomatoes and capsicums are perfectly soft. They are getting squishy. This means the base is perfectly cooked and ready. It should be this soft. Now that the perfect base is ready, I will add some chopped coriander leaves. Next, add the chili powder. This is where the main heat comes from, and this is a very important flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of dry roasted or powdered cumin. This imparts a very wonderful aroma. Here is my secret ingredients. Add single pinch of mace, javitri. Mix all these spices well until they are completely incorporated into the base. Cook on a medium flame, consistently stirring so the spices blend beautifully. The base is the key to the flavor. Keep mixing until everything is fully combined. This step took me about 3 minutes. Now the base is perfect. You can see the oil is also starting to release on the sides. Everything combined. Use your spoon to level up the sauce. Now for the eggs, make a small well depression in the sauce. Crack an egg and gently drop it into the well. This helps to hold the shape perfectly. Similarly, create space, make a well and drop each egg using the spoon to create the space and gently place the egg into the spot. Repeat this process, making the spaces according to the fits. This whole step takes about 3 minutes. It's very easy. Just practice. I think 6 eggs are enough, as that's all the space we have. Don't overcrowd the pan. Next, for seasoning, sprinkle pepper directly over the eggs. The pepper gives you a great fresh fragrance. Now everything is ready. Close the lid and cook for low flame. Remember, low flame for 5 minutes. That's it. After 5 minutes, look at the eggs. Perfectly cooked. If you prefer runny yolks, cook it for about 3 minutes. I prefer slightly harder yolk, so I'm cooking it for 5. Finally, as per your preference, garnish with some coriander leaves. Believe me, this wonderful shakshuka from the Parsi community is ready. It's beautiful, authentic shakshuka. Just look at the texture, juiciness of the onions, tomatoes, the richness from the eggs yolks, and the subtle beautiful flavor from the spices we added. It truly makes for a beautiful breakfast. Try this with regular chapati, roti. You will be completely hooked. And best is the pav. The recipe is simply amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon and touch the notifications to all. We'll be back with another such yummy recipe. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara.